Hey there everyone, welcome to the Uke Stuff channel and welcome to this demonstration and a tutorial of a chord melody that I've created for Loch Lomond, which is a famous Scottish folk song. I love teaching it to my choirs when I taught high school choir, and I think you'll enjoy this chord melody as well. So what we're going to do in this video, first of all, is I'm going to demonstrate the song for you, and then I'll go through a tutorial both on GCEA and DGBE ukulele. Now, this song is available for download at ukestuff.info. You can find it there. There'll be a link below. It's totally free. I also want to mention that I do have a collection of chord melodies for hymns as well as a collection of chord melodies for Christmas carols that's available at my Buy Me a Coffee page. That's buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. There are three ways you can support this channel. The first way is to like the video, the second is to subscribe to the channel, and the third is to buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. Now, a little bit about chord melody. Chord melody is a great way, after you've learned the basics of strumming in the ukulele, to expand your playing to play both melodies and chords at the same time. It leads itself to some other studies on the ukulele, such as clawhammer, or what I call full solo playing. It's a great in-between step, or it's just a great enjoyable step to play when you don't want to just play the melody, or you want to do just more than strumming and singing and let your instrument be the whole voice. Now, you could sing along too if you wanted to write in the words. I don't provide the words. The other thing I wanted to mention is that the top note that you see in my chord melody arrangements are the melody. And I write so that either linear, which would be low G or low D ukulele, can play my arrangements, as well as we call reentrant, which would be high G or high D ukulele, depending on whether you're playing soprano, concert, or tenor, which is tuned GCEA, or baritone, which is DGBE. All right, let's begin with a demonstration on what I will be playing as a concert on my Flight Nighthawk ukulele. Now, on baritone ukulele, and I'll be honest, this is not a baritone. This is a tom concert that I installed Paper Marrow baby baritone strings on, so I can tune it like a baritone instrument and switch between on these tutorials on scales of the same size. Otherwise, sometimes I sort of get lost when the frets get larger or smaller on me. For a tutorial, let's begin with GCEA, soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele, and walk through it. You're going to start off by just playing the open third string and then going up to the second fret. Then an F chord without the first string. Then on that second string, you're going to play the first fret and the third fret. Then a D minor chord. String 1, string 2, third fret. Then most of the B flat chord, you don't have to worry about making a bar chord here. You can just play fingers 1, 2, and 3 starting on the second string. And keep your fingers there, string 2, string 3. Then a C chord, just strings 4 and 3. Just like we did at the beginning, string 3, then an F chord partial. Play the second string, A minor chord. Then on the first string, open third fret, And then you're going to jump up to the 5th fret and you're going to make a bar chord. So you'll put your first finger across strings 1, 2, 3, and 4 right above the middle 5th fret. Pull against the fretboard. That should give you most of the sound you need. Add your thumb, and then you're going to play the F shape. So it's 5, 6, 5, 7. If you're looking down, 5, 6, 5, 7. But really, it's the F shape with that bar chord. So pull against that fretboard. That is the secret. You don't want to be clenching. It's all about using the leverage of the instrument. And then jump back down to an A minor chord, but it's not your standard because you're going to use your ring finger on the 1st string 3rd fret. Now, with that 1st finger 3rd fret, keep it there. Jump up again to that B flat chord at the 5th fret. Then play the 1st string and then put your pinky down on the 2nd string on the 8th fret. And then you can do one of two things. I find that I'm moving right now, which is not really helping me, but I'm playing strings 4, 3, and 2 at the 5th fret. You could also leave your finger there and just play strings 4, 3, and 2. That'd be better. And then open 1st string, 3rd fret 1st string, then a B flat chord, just like we talked about with the higher B flat. Here you're going to pull against string 1 and 2 at the 1st fret. Then add your thumb for some support, and then add 2 fingers. Lift up on the 1st string open, and then a G minor chord, which is really an extension of the B flat chord you were just playing right there. It's just 1 note difference. And then most of that B flat chord is going to be outlined there if you notice that. So you're going from that G minor chord, then 3rd string open 2nd, then an F chord without the 1st string, repeat, and that's rhythm going, then a D minor chord, 1st string 3rd fret, and notice how I jumped up with the 1st finger there. That will help me get to that B flat at the 5th fret again, and then F chord with a pinky, open 1st string, then a C7, which is a little bit like a Hawaiian D7, but you're moving up 1 fret and just playing 4th string 3rd fret, 3rd fret open, 3rd string 3rd fret, and then most of your F chord. All right, on baritone DGBE ukulele, first we're going to start with the 3rd string open, 2nd fret, then most of a C chord, but not the 1st string. Then you've got the 2nd string by itself, 1st fret, 3rd fret, and then an A minor chord. 1st string open, 2nd string 3rd fret. Then we've got most of the F chord, but you don't have to play a bar chord here. Then you have 2nd string 1st fret, 3rd string 2nd fret, and then much of the G chord, or at least the bottom half of the G chord. And you're just playing open 3rd and 4th strings. Then you're on the 3rd string again, just like the beginning. Now an E minor chord, 1st string, open 3rd fret, and then we're going to play a bar chord F at the 5th fret. So go up to the 5th fret, right behind the middle 5th fret. Pull against all 4 strings with your finger. Pull against the fretboard. Leverage with your thumb. That'll give you most of what you need. You don't have to clench. You just use a little bit of that leverage to get that sound. And then what you can do is add really most of the C chord shape up there. Then you're going to jump down to an E minor, but you're going to add on the 1st string, what I usually do is play with my ring finger on the 3rd fret. Repeat the 1st string, jump back up again to that F chord up there. Play the 1st string, add the pinky to the 2nd string 8th fret, and that was a rough spot on my recording. And then I would leave my hand here. I didn't on my own performance of this, and play strings 4, 3, and 2 right there without moving your hand. And then open 1st string, 3rd fret 1st string, and then your normal F chord up here. Now again, don't let the F chord scare you. Put your 1st finger across strings 1 and 2 right above the middle 1st fret. Pull against that. Add 2 fingers to support it. That's your F chord. Then a D minor chord in a slightly different shape there. It looks a little bit like the D7, but built in a different spot. Then part of your F chord. 3rd string, C chord, and the rhythm there, watch that. A minor, F chord up there, C chord, G7, and then C. So really, once you get this F chord up here, that's the big secret, and then you can navigate the rest of the song. All right, so that's a quick demonstration and a quick tutorial for a chord melody arrangement of Loch Lomond, a Scottish folk song that you can download for free at ukestuff.info. The link is also in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.